This is a networking lab demonstration. I'd like to welcome you back to the series on AWS VPC and private cloud networking. In this video, I will be focusing on a very important part of the series. I will be connecting to the EC2 public instance using SSH. In our setup so far, we've launched an EC2 instance in a public subnet, assigned it a public IP address, and attached a security group that allows inbound SSH traffic on port 22. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It's a protocol that lets you securely access the command line of a remote machine. Instead of using a username and password, AWS uses a key pair system. This brings us to the next step, connecting to the public instance via SSH. Key pair authentication. When I launched my EC2 instances, I selected a key pair that I had previously created for my AWS projects. That key pair includes a private key file, PEM, that was downloaded and saved to my local machine. This file is my only way into my instance. I made sure the PEM file had the correct permissions so that only I, the owner, can read the file. Okay, now that I've laid the foundation for the role of key pair in SSH, let's head over to AWS. I'm in the EC2 dashboard. You'll notice that this step is pretty straightforward. I'll click on the EC2 public instance, and then click on the Connect button, located in the upper right-hand side of the dashboard. Here I find all of the information needed to connect to my instance. Since I've already taken care of obtaining a key and adjusted my permissions, I can go ahead down to the SSH command. I'll copy the command and then head over to my local computer's command prompt. I paste the SSH command into my command prompt. I will then be asked to confirm my attempt to connect. I simply type yes, and that's it. I've SSH'd into my virtual server. Remember, that's what an instance is, a virtual server. At this point, I can carry out the administrative or local user functions just as if I were operating within a physical local server, including network administration and software installations. If you get a timeout or permission denied error, check the following. Double-check that port 22 is open in your security group. Make sure you're using the correct username for your AMI, and confirm the public IP hasn't changed, especially if you stopped and started the instance. And that's it. I've now successfully connected to my public EC2 instance using SSH. This step is essential for configuring, updating, and managing your server. In the next video, we'll continue building out our private cloud environment. Thanks for watching.